In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a photography website with Wix. To get started, head over to Wix.com and create a free account. Once you are signed in and on your dashboard, choose Create New Site. After that, select Wix Editor. If Wix shows you the AI chat option, go ahead and skip that for now so you can build the site manually and have full control over the design. Next, select the portfolio option or simply search for photography. Then click Continue. Wix may also mention that you can start from scratch or use AI to generate a business-ready site from a single prompt. But for this tutorial, just click Skip to Dashboard. Wait a few seconds for the dashboard to load. Then click Design Site. This will open the Templates panel. Now browse through Wix's photography website templates. Look for something clean and minimalist with plenty of white space, so the focus stays on your images instead of distracting design elements. Choose a template that matches your personal style and the type of photography you do. Then click Edit to open it in the Wix editor. Once you are inside the editor, double-click the placeholder images and select Manage Media to upload your own photos. Before uploading, it's a good idea to resize your high-resolution images to around 2000 pixels wide. This helps your pages load faster while still keeping the images looking sharp. Also, make sure to add descriptive alt text in the image settings so search engines can better understand and index your work. As you customize the pages, make the home page visually strong by featuring a standout image or a carousel of your best work, along with a short tagline. On the About Me page, tell your story. Explain your specialty, whether that's weddings, portraits, or landscapes, and include a friendly photo of yourself. For the Contact page, click the plus button on the left side. Go to Contact and Forms, and drag a form onto the canvas so potential clients can easily reach out. To organize your work more professionally, add the native Wix Portfolio app. Click Add Apps on the left side. Search for Wix Portfolio and add it to your site. If you also want to sell prints or allow clients to book sessions, you can use the App Market to add Wix bookings or Wix stores and connect a fulfillment service like Printful. To expand your reach, click the plus icon, go to Social, drag the social icons onto the page and link your profiles. Then switch between desktop view and mobile view to make sure your galleries look great on smaller screens. Finally, connect a custom domain for a more professional brand. Then click Publish to make your site live. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.